If you love lemon desserts, these no-bake lemon bars might be the easiest and most addictive treat you'll make all summer. All you need are a few simple ingredients: graham cracker crumbs, butter, cream cheese, lemon curd, fresh lemons, powdered sugar, and whipped cream. Start by combining graham cracker crumbs and melted butter until the mixture looks like wet sand. Press the mixture firmly into a parchment-lined pan to create a sturdy base. Beat the cream cheese until silky smooth. Then add powdered sugar, vanilla, lemon zest, and fresh lemon juice. Mix in the lemon curd for that bold, sunny lemon flavor that makes these bars unforgettable. Fold in the whipped cream to create a light, airy texture that's rich without feeling heavy. Spread the filling evenly over the crust and smooth the top for bakery-style results. Now comes the hardest part: let the bars chill for at least 6 hours, or overnight for the cleanest slices. Once fully chilled, slice into squares using a hot dry knife for perfectly clean edges. Bright, creamy, sweet, and tart, these lemon dessert bars are guaranteed to disappear fast. For the full recipe, ingredient measurements, and extra tips, visit nobakedessertslab.com or check the link in the first pinned comment below.